Welcome to Vision Kitchen Chronicles. I am Chef Ange. Welcome to episode number 6. We have made some of the most fabulous, simple dishes with all the ingredients that you have right in your home. And that is the total purpose of doing this. Now let's get to it. Do you remember in episode number 2 when we made that fabulous homemade ranch dressing and I introduced that harvest salad? Our ranch dressing is my harvest grilled chicken salad that I prepared. Ooh, delicious. Looks delicious. Tastes delicious. Anyway, today that is what I'm presenting to you. The harvest salad with pickled onions. Have you ever had pickled onions before?
No.
They are fabulous.
What?
Yes. So today, we're going to make a harvest salad with the pickled onions. So we have prep time for 10 minutes and we have roasting time for 18 minutes. A total of 28 minutes to make this fabulous harvest salad. So what we're going to do first is we're going to prep our sweet potatoes and our cauliflower to roast in the oven for 18 minutes. And so at first, we're going to go ahead and use our oil. I have olive oil and you can use vegetable oil as well. But today I'm using olive oil, and what you want to do is coat your sweet potatoes and your cauliflower with the olive oil. What you're going to do is just blend it up, mix it up, make sure all your pieces of sweet potato and cauliflower are coated evenly. Next, we're going to take a pinch of salt and pepper and we're going to spread it across your sweet potatoes and your cauliflower. So what we're going to do, make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees. And we're going to go ahead and put your sweet potatoes and cauliflowers in the oven for 18 minutes to roast. And then we'll pull it out. And just a side note, you can check your oven before the 18-minute mark just to make sure you don't burn your sweet potatoes or your cauliflower. Okay, so let's get started with these wonderful pickled onions. Yes. So first, what we're going to do with the pickled onions is put our 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water in the pot. And next, we're going to do our 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, we're going to do our 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then we're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our onions, and I just sliced them half slices. So we have our ingredients in here for our pickled onions. As you can see, the water is boiling, the pickled onions are boiling, and you want to make sure your temperature is on high so it can boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then you're going to turn your temperature down to low after that 3-minute mark and let it simmer. And we're going to let our pickled onions simmer until our roasted sweet potatoes and cauliflower come out of the oven. Pickled onions are the best. I don't even use just regular onions in my salad anymore. Pickled onions to me are fabulous in salad, on sandwiches, just depend on how much you like onions. But these right here, pickled onions for me are fabulous in a salad. Okay, so we're getting ready to put together our harvest bowl salad. So I have our cherry tomatoes here sliced in half. And then I have our mild cheddar shredded cheese. And of course I have the sweet potatoes and the cauliflower roasted. And those wonderful simmered pickled onions. Yes, it's gonna be delicious. And lastly, we have our organic super green spring mix. It has your arugula, your baby spinach, and your Swiss chard. Now what we're gonna do now is gonna put everything together. So now that we put our harvest salad together, we have our tomatoes, our cheese, our sweet potatoes, cauliflower, and our wonderful pickled onions. We're ready to put our dressing on and munch on our wonderful harvest bowl salad. If you all remember in episode number 2 when I made that homemade ranch dressing, I'm gonna drizzle some of that on the top of my harvest bowl salad, and then we're gonna dive in for the wonderful taste. It's my favorite part of the show, taste time. So let's dig right in. This harvest bowl salad is fabulous. You can make it for your lunch or for dinner. You can add protein to it. Nice grilled chicken slices. If you don't want protein, you definitely don't have to have it because the harvest bowl salad is filling already. This salad right here definitely needs to go on your menu. Meal prep? Yes. Add it. Dinner? Yes. Add it. Lunch? Tomorrow? Add it. Harvest bowl salad. Add it to your menu. You're gonna love it. And with those pickled onions. I'm gonna dig into some more of this salad. I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed that episode, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in to every episode that we've had thus far. It has been a blast making these videos for you guys, and I hope you're utilizing each one of these recipes. They're easy, they're simple, and it's definitely for the family to have some fun together. Thank you guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't already subscribed, you can go ahead and go out there and click that subscribe button and ring that bell for post notifications. And be sure to follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook, Vision Enterprises Unlimited. I will see you guys next time. Ciao for now.